Hello everyone, I'm Faral Imran from the channel Data Sciencey, and today I'll be explaining you the topic which is called list operations in Python. Means what operations can you perform on a list, so that I'll be explaining you. So the first one that I'll be using is called append. So let me first make a list here. So for example, G equal to, then list is made using square brackets. Then for example, if I say the numbers, you can write it as it is, then comma 7 comma 2 comma, and then of course you can add strings too using the single quotes or double quotes. So I'm using single quotes. If you say Gina, then comma happy comma 8 comma 10. So here I've made it a list. So now how do we use append? So at first, as I've made the variable G, and here then I'll be telling you that, for example, I'll be making another variable H equal to G dot append append, and then the round brackets. And here in append, what do? You add a value which you have to add, and after that what it does, that value, it gets added to the at the end of the list. So it gets added at the end of the list. So if I say I want to add in single quotes, I'm saying birthday, and then when I click on enter, and when I run this, and if I say print G, here is the answer. So in H, the append operation was performed, and here in G, the birthday was added to the list. So here you can see it is added at the end of the list. Now the next one that I'll be using is called extend, and it is also the same as append, but here you can add more things to it at the end of the list. In append, it was that you can add one value, but in extend you can add more values at the end of the list. So here when I extended 1 and 3 and I printed G, so here the answer was 1 and 3 was added at the end of the list. And now the third one that I'll be using is called insert. This one is a more specific one in which you add the position and the value. So here at first I'm saying at position 1 I want the value as high. Okay. And now when I print G, the answer would be, see here, at position 1 high has been added. So that is for insert. After that, I'll be using reverse method, means how to remove. Reverse method does not remove, it reverses the list. So here you can say, I'll write G dot reverse, and then the round brackets. After that, I'll print G. Then when you click on run, see it has been reversed. Means the 10 that was here, it has come at the first side, then 8, then happy, then Gina, then 2, 7, 5. After that, the method that I'll be using, it's called remove. In remove, what it does, it removes the value. And here if I say for position 2, now position 2, the value 2, in remove, it removes the value of it. For example, if I want to remove 2 from the list, so I'll write this and then I'll print G. So here 2 has been removed. After that, the method that I'll be using, it's called pop. Now if I say here pop and there it's blank, it just removes the last value from the list. And click on enter. Here you can see 10 has been removed as it was at the end of the list. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much.